What is good? Okay, let me talk to y'all for a second. I did this trade on my tablet in bed. Okay? That's not an excuse. Um, that shit was honestly fire. Best trading experience ever. But, let's get into the trade. Um, it was GBP, Canada. No, that's USD Canada. GBP Canada. This is the trade that I took. I lost $5 for one reason that I could have avoided. That was a dumb decision. Um, but I entered also. I entered on Bitcoin. Um, I'm gonna put more into Bitcoin when I see it go higher. Um, I don't want to miss a crazy opportunity to make money, but I feel like I'm gonna miss it no matter what because I don't have enough capital to be putting it into Bitcoin. And my margin, if I put too much into it and then I'm in withdrawal, then I won't be able to trade. So I might just have to push it to the side. We're gonna, Bitcoin is always gonna be here. We're always gonna have chances to buy and sell crashes and buy, you know, you know what I mean. So, um, this is the trade I took. Um, I entered. Okay, this is my confluences. We had double stacked up highs, double rejection. We came down, took out this low. We got a I marked out, oh shit. The fuck was that? Okay. I marked out um the equilibrium and this high that it could come and take out. And also in GBP USD, this also played out really well. Um why are we moving like that again? Okay, I'm just gonna put this bitch at full speed. This shit is actually annoying. Watch it fucking fly down. Yo, why is manual not actually full speed? Do I deadass have to keep it there, bro? I don't want to keep it at full speed. That shit's actually so annoying. What if I put it on normal? We'll see. Okay, but um this is the trade that I was looking at. These are the two markets that I was looking at for sells. Um Hit our fair value gap on both. Um Had a nice reaction. I opened right here. Oh my god. I opened right here, but I accidentally um mistyped it. It said it was um point like 0.2 lots, and I typed in 0.02 lots right here, and then it started coming up. So in the middle of this retrace, I entered like right here the actual position, which was now I put in 0.19 lots. So the 0. You know what I mean. But um it went in my position. This was my first TP since there was no lows to go off of. Um and it just didn't go all the way to my first TP. So I put it at break even. It stopped me out. Uh and then I saw this candle react off of it, and I didn't think, oh, maybe I should follow my strategy and wait till it goes down to confirm it's actually going to react on this order block. But that didn't ever cross my fucking head. And we're back up, bro. I'm putting it at full speed. I don't care. What the fuck? Um, I don't know what's wrong with my fucking thing, because when I put it at full speed, it works, and then when I put it at um, manual or normal, having it all the way up when it's high, it doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't, but guess I'll just have to run it at full speed. I don't know. Low key annoying. Shut up. Okay. So we took this trade. We lost $5 because I made a stupid decision on when it stopped me out. Because it didn't even stop me out. Like, it was, look, I can show you guys. Um, short position right here. Okay. It's low key gonna be hard to show you all. Let me go in here. Alright. So if you can see the arrows, if you see the first buy one below that black one, the first black one, it never touched the stop loss. Then immediately I was like, what? It didn't touch. And then I entered again, and it was already like down here back, like doing that retrace, and I entered, and then $5 was the stop loss. I put it at break even right there, and it kind of consolidated for one candle, and then it stopped me out. So I didn't clarify if it was gonna keep going down, so I just lost $5 for no reason. Low key, stupid mistake. I'll get over it though. I'm about to study the trade, put down everything. Yeah, it was a good trading day. It just didn't hit my first TP. Had a lot of potential. It didn't reject this low 2 times, so I didn't take out any position sizes because I thought it was gonna come back down. I marked out this high with a alarm or a alert, and it just blasted through. It's just, I don't know. It's whatever. But now I will be studying the trade or journaling it. And yeah, we're just gonna move on to the next day, I guess. What day is it today? It's Thursday. It's actually Thanksgiving. I might take a nap so I can stay up longer for like dinner and everything. But yeah, it sucks, bro. Lost $5 when I did it correctly. But if I did enter up here, like look, if I just like, I hate that it makes the move a little bit before, like a little bit before it opens. So I have it, what, where is it? Where is it? Okay, I'm tweaking. We had a break of structure on that low. On that low. Came up, took out the order block, pulled all the way back. Pulled back. So I probably would have entered right here, low-key. And that's the trade if I was here when this move happened. I would have made $100. If I just let it go, but I have, this is my first TP right here, which you see it had a reaction off of, but it hit the fair value gap and it continued. So it wasn't going to be straight $100, but it was going to be very close, maybe like 80. Damn. It sucks. We're just coming up. Just gonna get a better trade tomorrow, and I have another trade that almost worked out, or did work out, and I just didn't enter it. We see this big down trend, and then we see a double rejection, and then we see a break of structure to the upside right here, or I see a liquidity sweep. Look right here. There's a liquidity sweep. So it did that, broke to the upside, retraced back into the fair value gap, or order block and fair value gap, had a reaction and closed above. So I would have entered on the close above this, which was the rejection point, and put my stop loss at this low, and I would have made 1.5. So, you know, it's another good trade though. My first stop or take profit would be right here for almost 1-to-1. It's better than losing $5, but it's whatever. This, I think, is going to be a nice sell, or it's going to come down here and take out these lows and then go up higher. But either way, decent day. I'm not terribly mad, but this is what's going on with the position on Bitcoin. We're having this reaction. We did not get a retracement back into these lows, so I kind of de-risked, but I mean, it's playing. I wish I got into it, you know, when the actual rejection happened. I would be up a lot more. It's whatever though. We have a lot of room to take out. I just hate that I can't put any more in, especially with everybody saying that it's going to continue going higher off of this, or it's just going to go higher, like off of this. I wish I could have more capital to put into it, but I don't have a job. But I'm 15. Yo, let me know if I should get a job, bro. Like, should I deadass get a job? I mean, I'm just really fucking busy throughout the day. It would help me with my sleep schedule though, because it's something I need to get up for. I just have, like, when I think about my day, like, I wake up, trade for like 2 hours, and then I work out, and then it's just, I feel like I don't know. Maybe I should. I would have to adjust my schedule. I know I could fit it in my schedule, but it would take up a lot of my time. But I could quit anytime. Right when my trading stuff starts working out, then I could just quit it. So let me know if I should get a job somewhere. Cause I already did try to apply for McDonald's, but it's been like fucking months. I can easily apply for a job at Domino's, right up the street, literally right up the street, like 2 minutes away. I could literally walk to it. But there's a few places where I could work. I'm only 15. I want to wait till I'm 16 and just work DoorDash to get a little bit of cash so I can put it into trading, because all I'm gonna be working for is for money for trading. But I don't know. But I'll see y'all in the next episode. In the next episode. Love y'all.